In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset location settings on your iPhone. So with the guide I'm going to share with you in this video, you find your way around how you can easily locate the location settings on your iPhone and how you can reset to the default settings. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to reset your location service on your iPhone, you need to know that all your visited locations on the maps will be deleted completely, and this cannot be undone, except if you back this up on iCloud or on external storage, and then you restore the backup later. Now, to reset the location settings on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on General. Now, once you selected General, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Transfer or Reset Phone. Then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you selected that, come down here and select Reset. Now, once you selected Reset, you see pop-up that says Reset Network Settings, Reset Keyboard Dictionary, Reset Home Screen Layout, and Reset Location and Privacy. Go ahead and tap Reset Location and Privacy. Then you should see pop-up that says you should enter your iPhone passcode. Go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Then hang on, then the pop-up will say Reset Settings. This resets your location and privacy settings to default on your iPhone. Go ahead and tap Reset Settings. Once you click on that, hang on. So this is going to reset the location settings on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily reset iPhone location settings step by step. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.